If somehow you knew that your love would be untrue, what you learned to me.
I'm actually not mad at this look, y'all. You know what? I wasn't having no confidence. But now I see the light. What's Gucci you do? That sounded so nasty. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Amy and back with another video. How are you guys? How's it going? How's your week? I'm great. Thanks for asking. Today I want to review a makeup palette. Maybe new to some of you guys who don't know about it, because I know some people still don't know about it. I know about it and I'm very excited about it. It's basically Juvia's place. Watch that not be the name of the palette. Oh, whew. I got it right. Juvia's place. Yeah, y'all can follow them on Instagram. When I saw this collection first come out, I was so hyped because I was like, the whole aesthetic and the theme of it just, first of all, that just reeled me in, and I was just like, you can have all of my coins. Then second of all, when I heard the reviews about it and saw what you could do with this palette, I was like, that's a steal. I gotta cop that. This bad boy was a gift from my cousin, so thank you, Ashley. It's not a first impressions review. I did use this palette already because I just had to, I had to dig in. I want to show you guys a review on it, my thoughts on it, what I liked about it. So maybe you can form your own opinion about it and see if it's something that you'd like to try out. I want to be a self-taught MUA because I don't want to be like MUA. Like, I just want to be able to do dope makeup at the level of an MUA, but like for myself. I'm still learning, so like please don't come for me in the comment section because I'm not afraid to drag your wig back. So this is the front of the box. You guys, I'm so honestly, you would think I've never opened this because I keep my stuff in the bubble wrap, but like I'm like this with all my stuff. I take really good care of my stuff. If you ever give me something, just know like it's in good hands, like all stay, all right? Because I legit keep things the way I got them. This is the inside. So there's 12 pans of makeup that it comes with. This rule of thumb, if you ever get to know me, if you ever become friends with me, if I buy something with my money, I have to be the first one to use it before I can share. And then I'm definitely down to share whatever with any of my other peeps, but like I have to be the first. And I don't know, it's just this weird thing with me. I feel like if I'm not the first to use it, but I bought it, is it really mine? Okay, can you guys see this? Hopefully you can see this. The pan sizes are really nice. Like, they're not too small, they're not too big. I'll really be trying to follow those pictures. Oh, you can see the brown. Wait. I'm going with the car, that orange one. Hold up. And I promise you, if it looks bad, it has nothing to do with the palette and everything to do with me. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Aya, and let's hope that I don't totally destroy whatever I've already done. Fantastic start. It's mixed. More points for Juvia. I love y'all. I'm gonna go in with Kofi. So, alright. How am I? I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, so far this is what we got. Okay, so now I only just added wings, and the last thing I'm gonna do is put on mascara and mark my waterline, I guess it is. But drag the shadow. Finish it off with setting spray. Let's see if I can get an outro pic before this thing dies. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. Follow me on all my social medias. The links will be in the description box down below and anywhere on the screen so we can be social butterflies together. Comment down below your favorite makeup palette. And if I didn't do too bad, let me know that too. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
That woo 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 woo.
You know how the kids do. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in that like woo.